Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I welcome you to English grade 7 video lessons. I'm your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well and all ready and set to learn about today's students learning outcome. So now for grade 7 we are dealing with our form unit number 3 paradise or paradigm. This is our lecture number 4B and the competency we are dealing with is of writing and our topic is on free writing. Now let's look at our students learning outcome and try to understand and see how we can achieve it successfully. My dear learners, our students learning outcome is write a paragraph of free writing for fluency, creativity, brainstorming or pleasure. So now, free writing is a kind of writing that we do to get our ideas on the paper. We are going to deal with free writing and we are writing it for getting fluency, creativity, brainstorming and also for pleasure. Now, this is a breakdown of our student learning outcome. Now let's see that how we can achieve it. Now here is a vertical link of this grade's SLO with the previous grade that you have already covered and studied. Now in that you already you read about free writing for fluency, creativity, brainstorming or pleasure. The SLOs are identical. So now my dear learners, it's time for a very quick brainstorming activity. Now in today's brainstorming session, we have a question that have you ever written without stopping, just letting your ideas flow onto the page? So, have you ever done this? And if yes, share your experience with your class, with your teacher. Now, let's move on to the main topic, which is about free writing. So, let's talk about paragraph first. So if you remember, a paragraph is a distinct section of writing that deals with a single theme or idea. So the paragraph includes one single idea or theme. It typically consists of several sentences that are grouped together and separated from other groups by a new line or indentation. Now, a sentence has a lot of different words and a lot of different sentences. If they are about one idea and one theme, they come together to make a paragraph. Now, let's talk about our definition of free writing. So, free writing is a technique. First of all, it's a technique of writing used to generate ideas and overcome writer's block. For example, if the writer misses anything, free writing can help write all the ideas and a very good brainstorming session also. It involves writing continuously for a set period without worrying about grammar, spelling or punctuation. So, this is what we call free writing, where we write without being conscious about our grammar or other factors of writing when we are writing normally. So with free writing, you get fluency, you get all of the ideas together, any theme or any topic. So when you're writing a paragraph using the free writing technique, you can write it. You just need a paper and a pen or pencil. Just write whatever is coming in your mind related to the main idea or the theme that has been assigned to you, and you just write it, just letting all the ideas onto the paper so that you can get most out of your assignment. Now, let's talk about the goals of free writing. Why do we write like this? So the goal is to let thoughts flow freely and record them as they come without any self-editing or criticism. This practice encourages creative thinking and can lead to the discovery of new ideas or insights. So, when we are writing normally, we can miss up so many things, so many points and facts. So the purpose of free writing is actually to just write freely without editing, just write whatever comes in your mind, and then you can later edit it, and you can keep some things or edit or delete. So once we have put everything on the paper, which is our main goal of free writing, then we can do other steps later. So free writing is very important and it's a very good technique to follow. So my curious learners, let's talk about some practical tips that free writing does. So number one is brainstorming. If you want to brainstorm and come up with different anecdotes, stories, facts, opinions, you can write them all at once. So with free writing, you can brainstorm effectively. Second one is let the ideas flow. So when you are writing typically about any idea or theme, any topic, your ideas should be flowing and coming together. Now for number three, you have to write what comes to your mind freely. So all these practical tips are very beneficial for you, and free writing can get you very good at writing about any assignment or anything or any written task. Now, here is a simulation video that is available in the description of the video. Also, you can access them with all the other resources. You can watch this simulation video later after watching this lesson, and you will learn more about free writing. Now, for your classroom activity, it's from page number 25 of the book. So you will be learning about biodiversity, this paragraph, and choose a specific topic for practice, just as we saw in the previous slide, such as recycling or using renewable energy, reducing water consumption, or eating locally grown food, and write a paragraph on it. So these are all the instructions that you need to follow for your writing for this classroom activity. And remember that you will be using free writing technique, and then you can arrange all those ideas in the paragraph, whether you want to keep something or delete something from the free writing process. So you will be adapting the style of free writing. Now this is your worksheet that you will be solving for your more practice, and for your homework from page number 26, you have to do this project, and this whole project you need to research a lot, and you need to come up with your ideas, your observation, your insights, and also some other information that you can research. But remember, use free writing technique to get a very good project and a very good written text of the project. Now, we are here at the end of our resources. Let's talk about them. A skill sheet, worksheet, question bank, PowerPoint presentation, and a lesson plan. All these are available in the description of the video. My dear learners, thank you for listening. I hope that you are very much familiar with a kind of writing, a technique which we call free writing. And we also saw the definition, some examples, and practical tips to get a very good free writing. Till the next video lesson, Allah Hafiz.